Hello, good morning. This is my chair, uh, ready for the packing. This is chair with the rope. Uh, we are ready to pack. We use plastic from the first step. Look at that one. This chair is thick wood, color black. Black. We calling color black velvet. Are you interested about this product? You can contact us at the channel. And thank you very much for coming, for watching. Please, if you're interested, you can just subscribe and give me your comment at this channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day and have a good time and bye bye.